Hello everyone, Naman this side, the CEO and founder of DROME Media. And in this exact video, I'm gonna tell you how exactly you can make sure while you're recording, even at home, office, or even in any some kind of studio place, how you can get the best output. So we're gonna start with a few things. Thing number one, whether you are recording with a camera or your simple mobile, just make sure of a few settings. कि यार पहले तो your mobile should be on like 4K 60 FPS. You always have to record on 4K 60 FPS so that while we edit your videos, it's not a big deal for us to zoom in, zoom out your videos, and we don't have to adjust with quality or something. Part number two, always make sure the placement of camera is at your neck level. Either you can put it on your eye level or on your neck level. Always make sure you're sitting out in a straight way and then speaking out your script. How exact kind of setup that I use to record out entirely my videos is something. If you have a good mic, you can put it up over here. Other than that, if you have a collar mic, this is the exact collar mic that I'm using right now to record out this video. Other than that, if you have something else, like you have a wired mic or something, you can use that. Now the major thing that you have to make sure, whatever is in your background, always make sure it's a clean background. Whether that can be a white wall, that can be some kind of curtains, that can be some kind of clean office look, like wooden panels or something, these kind of places. But the other major thing that you have to make sure is the clothing, whatever kind of clothing you are wearing while recording the video, should play and different contrast with the background. If I speak that in a simple language, that means if I am having a gray background at back, it's gray. So I should be wearing something of dark color. I can't wear gray as back this. I can go back with white, I can go back with black, I can go back with any other color. I should avoid wearing colors like red, yellow, and these kind of things. Second part, always make sure you have a proper light flow. Like if I have to showcase you the light flow over here, it looks like, it exactly looks like this. This is something that I'm currently getting to record out my entire things. This is the light frame that I'm using right now to create a trajectory of light on me at an angle of 45 degrees, because that's the best angle of lighting that you can ever try. Or other than that, if I have to use I can use this mini lights to create out a focus on my face. Okay, and this is the exact camera that we are currently using to record out the video. And other than that, this is something where I am looking at what I am recording right now. If you also have something, like if you are using an iPhone or something to record out your video, best part you can do is you can use your laptop or something to mirror out your entire screen. That will allow you a simpler thing to watch while you record. This will give you a very good way to exactly know how you look while on camera. And this is gonna make sure that you're not shy on the camera too. The third part is how exactly you have to speak out your scripts. We are done with the part where we know that we have to keep our backgrounds clean. And if you want to use some kind of props, the best things you can use is either you can use a warm lamp or something, you can use some kind of plants in the background, or you can use something else that makes the background look elegant. Not something which really tells out, yeah, it's going pretty great, but something that makes a minimalistic vibe and makes you look very elegant with the background. Now, coming back to the part where you have to record out scripts. How personally I used to record out scripts is, while I am reading out a script, what I do is, I took the first line of here. Okay, it's a script that I have already pre-recorded for one of my Instagram channels. So now I'm gonna predict out how exactly I did it. So it begins. One of my mentorship clients collected 33,000 rupees in the next 5 days. Now, once I speak out this entire line, I'm gonna freeze out the exact position where I was, like the end action that I did while speaking on my script. Now I'm gonna just take a little glimpse of the script once again and then continue. 2 weeks before that, he was just closing out clients paying him 7,000 rupees, and that still paid after 30 days of delivery. Now, in this entire script roleplay, what exactly I did was I peeked at the script, got to know the script, speaked it out. But the major part was how exactly I took the pause. You have to make sure while we cut out your videos, you stay covered at the same position so that it doesn't feel like you made a change. And it seems like very organic, that there was no change in the video or the position you filled out. This way you don't have to memorize the entire script in a one go. What you can just do is you speak a line, pause over there, take the peek, then speak the line once again, take a peek, speak your script once again. That's the entire flow. And then coming back to the positioning, already told you camera should be at your neck level or at your eye level. Make sure the background seems very clean. It's nothing something like a light is peeking out of your back or something that's disturbing the entire interface. Next part, something where exactly you should put on your mic. Now mic is something some people make it, they put it at just at the top of the cow. That's a pretty good way, but just make sure that you at least have a handful of gap from the mic which is recording out your voice. The entire thing is when you put it too close to your mouth, there is like this buffer sound of noise that's usually get into the way. We have to avoid that. Now this is the entire playbook which tells you how exactly you should record out a video in a good way so that it's nothing something that you're missing out in the entire video. And after this, if you still want help from my team to exactly guide you out at your locations, at your background, how you can get the best and maximize result out of that, you can just send a message in the group and someone from my team will connect you over a call and help you out with the entire things.